My name is Harpal Bains. We're currently at Bucka near Coffs Harbour in New South Wales on the north coast. We've got 35 acres of blueberries with 30 acres of macadamias as well, and we've got 2.5 acres of cucumber production under greenhouses. Family business, first we started with bananas. Dad used to do bananas back almost 30 years ago. And back then we had irrigation in the banana farms, and that was all run with Grundfos pumps as well. So hence, with setting up the new farm, we went with Grundfos as well because we knew they were good pumps, they were reliable. Water's critical to get the maximum yield from your plants. Without the water, you just wouldn't get that yield. So it's critical to have the right type of pumps that can see the season through. With the cucumber farm, we established that in 2004. That was the first Grundfos pump we bought at that farm. It's been running ever since, and it's still running efficiently, reliably. We haven't had any dramas with it whatsoever. 2014, we started setting up the blueberry farm, and that was when we purchased 2 more Grundfos pumps. So we've got drip tube running as irrigation, which is running underneath the blueberry mounds. We've got 2 Grundfos pumps, one running the back of the farm and one running the front of the farm. Out the back it's almost, I think it's a 60-metre head. At the front we've only got a 20-metre head. So for the best efficiency of the pumps, if we were just to run one pump, it's 1.3 kilometres out the back and it's only 500 metres out the front of you, so it's not pumping as far. So with the greenhouses, the watering runs in a loop system where it triggers the waterer every hour or half an hour depending on the light intensity. So during winter the delay's a bit further apart, in summer it's a bit closer. So it could be running anywhere from 8 to 10 loops a day for 3-minute runs. Whereas in the blueberries, each patch could run anywhere from 40 to 60 minutes per block per day during season. So at the blueberry farm, the pump can run from anywhere from 6 to 8 hours every day during peak load. With the blueberries, if we were to lose a day of watering, what happens to the fruit? It actually shrinks in size. So when you're watering, the fruit's expanding, it's fine, and then when it gets to that wilting point and there's no water, the fruit starts contracting, and then it just doesn't get that size about the fruit. And at the same time, the softness just doesn't have that durability, shelf life when it hits the shelf. Initially, when choosing the pumps for both of our farms, we chose Grundfos. It was a lot more expensive than the other pumps that were out on the market at the time, but since installing it, we haven't had any breakdowns. They've been running reliably without any dramas, and hence that extra money at the start has actually paid off in the long run.